If making decisions in your business feels hard, this is probably why. Many entrepreneurs are overthinking decisions. I was one of them, right? We go back and forth, we second guess ourselves, we think about the problem, right? We're thinking that the problem is confidence, but most of the time, that's not the real issue. I'm LaMorvielle, and this is Brand Impact 365. I've challenged myself to post one video a day here on the platform for 365 days while I study impactful brands, rebuild and rebrand my own business, and share everything I'm learning with you. So, all I do every day is study brands, how they work, and why they are successful. And I've learned something along the way, something important. And that strong brands make decisions a lot faster, right? Not because they're in a rush, but because they have clear values in mind. Here's what usually happens with entrepreneurs, okay? Entrepreneurs make decisions based on feelings, right? Trends, what others suggest, right? When those things change, the decision feels shaky, right? They feel like they got to shift versus strong brands, they use values instead, right? Values are simple rules that brands follow. For example, what they will say yes to, what they will say no to, what matters most, right? Values remove confusion. It really does. It just gives you a clear understanding of what you stand for, right? Here's another reason that decisions can feel hard, right? Without values, every option feels possible. When everything feels possible, choosing feels very heavy, right? It's like there's a big pressure to decide what's the right one to choose. Versus strong brands, they narrow their choices down before they decide. They ask, does this match what we stand for? And if the answer is no, the decision is easy, right? Here's the most important part of what I've learned from this, okay? Values are not just words on a website, they are tools. They guide and help you decide what offers to create, what content to post, who to work with, and what to ignore, right? When values are clear, decisions feel a little calmer for you. And this is one of the main lessons that I am applying while I'm refining my own brand, L'Amour Fashions, and documenting the process here on Brand Impact 365. So, if this daily conversation, this video has allowed you to see that clearer decisions in your business can lead to better outcomes, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. I truly do appreciate your support. All right, friends, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.